Hello, my name's Pilar, and it's a pleasure to join you. For those who don't know us, I will give a brief introduction. At Termoskian Machinery, we have over 35,000 machines and 100,000 square meters of space. Why we're world leaders in second-hand equipment for the food industry? We are going to present an FBR ELPO Monoblock for pasteurizing and aseptic processing. So, let's get to it. Discussing important parts of this compact equipment, starting with the Deaerator. What function does the Deaerator perform? Firstly, it stores water to perform the automatic cleaning of the monoblock, receives the product to be sterilized, and removes any air bubbles. It receives the sterilized product that, because it was not filled, either because the temperature was not reached or simply because the operator lacked time to fill it into its aseptic bag. Then we move on to the recirculation pump, which only operates for cleaning the equipment. We have the Helical Pump, which handles the loading of the product through the system during the sterilization of the equipment and its cleaning. Well, as we all know, all aseptic pasteurizers must have 3 zones, starting with the heating zone, which consists of 2 aseptic scraped surface heat exchangers, where the product is heated. Next, we have the holding zone, which consists of stainless steel steam barrier tubes, where we maintain the stable temperature of the product in order to carefully and efficiently move on to the final zone, which is the cooling zone. This zone is composed of 4 units of aseptic scraped surface heat exchangers, and this is where we handle the cooling of the product precisely and accurately. Then we also have 2 tubular coolers that come into operation when the product is returned to the tank while hot, or once the machine has been sterilized to adjust to the sterilization temperature. Here we find the pneumatic panel of the machine, which is an essential part of the system, and here we have the 2 heads of the aseptic filler that ensures the proper functioning of the equipment. The first thing that is actually positioned is over here, and then in these cylinders, the bag has a double head. While one bag is filling, the machine operator can position another bag in the other head, and the sterilization of the head and the bag is done, maximizing production efficiency. Then we move on to the electrical panel. From here is where we control all the processes of the monoblock. The software is designed by the programming team at Termoskian, which is delivered with the machine so that no changes need to be made to the program parameters. All the processes of this equipment are automated and controlled from the PLC. At Termoskian Machinery, we specialize in aseptic plants and all types of equipment for the food industry. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we invite you to contact us and visit to see the rest of the machinery in stock available at our facilities. See you soon.